Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is complacency. Complacency is a noun that means being too satisfied with your situation or abilities. So you stop noticing problems, making improvements, or preparing for possible risks. For example, after winning several matches, the team's complacency showed when players stopped practicing seriously and then lost to an opponent they had badly underestimated. Years without an accident created complacency at the factory, and some workers stopped completing safety checks they had once considered essential before operating machinery. The company's early success led to complacency, allowing competitors to introduce better products while its managers assumed loyal customers would never consider leaving. Synonyms for complacency include self satisfaction, smugness, overconfidence, and self contentment. Complacency is often used in workplace, safety, performance, and risk contexts, and it emphasizes excessive satisfaction that reduces vigilance or effort, not healthy contentment. That's complacency. One word, stronger English.